Tar spot is an extremely aggressive disease in that it can infect that plant from V3 all the way up to senescence. The time that we need to protect that plant is through that grain fill period, but if it sets in early, it can then cause premature death. So it's one of those diseases that we need to be really proactive in scouting. The environment that tar spot likes is those extremely hot or humid days where we have a high relative humidity. Temperature typically likes to be in that 60 to 70 degree Fahrenheit range, but we have seen it develop even in warmer climates. So it's really about leaf wetness when we talk about tar spot development. Again, we want to be proactive more than reactive in that we can have a very long latent period for tar spot. It can be 14 to 21 days before we even see those lesions. And then once we see those lesions, if it's been very aggressive and it's overtaking that plant, we may not be able to time that fungicide application in a timely manner. So in other words, I'd rather be more proactive in the fungicide application than reactive. That being said, I still want to get it as close to tassel time as I possibly can. So if I'm in that V12, V13 range, and I start to see tar spot moving in, I want to do my scouting, look throughout the field, make sure that I'm scouting appropriately, and then I'm going to time my fungicide application so I can protect that plant, protect that grain fill. So again, when it comes to tar spot management, I want to be proactive rather than reactive, and I want to make sure I protect that corn plant through grain fill, understanding that tar spot is an extremely aggressive disease. We need to do proper scouting, and we need to time our fungicide applications appropriately to make sure we stay ahead of this disease.